Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Soji and you're welcome to Soji FOREX. To all our new subscribers, I want to say thank you for subscribing to our channel. What we do on this channel is that we share educative information on how to trade Forex, which is the financial market. So we took upon ourselves going through the stress of making research about strategies that can help you to be profitable in trading the financial market. And if this is your first time of coming across our video, please support what we are doing by liking the video, comments on the video by liking the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever we publish our next video. So in today's video, I want to share with you a simple way for scalping step index, a simple method for scalping step index. Step index is an asset that is offered by Deriv as a broker. Alright, so I don't intend this video to be long, so let's dive into it at once. Now we have established previously that when you look at our screen, we have some few indicators. Okay, first we have our Bollinger Band, that the period is 130, and we said the green line you are seeing here is our down Bollinger Band. This one is our middle Bollinger Band, while this is our upper Bollinger Band. So the function of this Bollinger Band is to enable us to know the market exhaustion point, that is possible area where we can have a reversal or a trade continuation. And then looking at my chart, you will see that there are some moving averages, which are these lines you are seeing here. They are moving averages. I have moving average 10 exponential, I have moving average 15 simple, and I have moving average 25 exponential. And then basically then look at our indicator window. We'll have the MACD default setting, and indicator window 2 we have the stochastic oscillator period 60. Okay, and then we have moving average 10 exponential as part of our signal for entry. So we are looking at how we can scalp step index. How do we scalp step index? So we begin by establishing our market condition on your M15 time frame. Now, if the price is below the middle Bollinger Band, just as you are seeing price here, it signifies you are in a downtrend. And if price is above it, we are in an uptrend. So at times price will be down for a long time and it will push towards it, and then a continuation trade. So the middle Bollinger Band serves to function to help us to know the direction of the market, and also serves as our point of entry, and we are treating it as a zone. So let's look at how do we scalp this indicator. Now, if you look at it carefully, the step index, you realize that market move from the upper band to the middle band, then to the lower band. And it's also moved from the lower band to the upper band continuously like that. So market cannot go in a single direction for a long time. So when we look at this, okay, let's begin from here. Here we have a move. Remember, at this point, the market is already piercing our lower Bollinger Band. It went up, it came back again and pierces it, and then got rejected from the lower Bollinger Band. And then, having established that, the next thing you will do is for you to draw your trend line. You will pick your trend line. Remember, the market is on a downtrend, so you'll be looking for a reversal. So you draw your trend line like this, and then you are waiting for price to break your trend line. And this is what happened. Remember, price has been below the trend line, then suddenly the price broke the trend line here, and the price closes above our moving averages. So you will make your entry there, and then your stop loss is actually below this place. And once you have done that, you now wait for the market to do its things. So you see now that the market has been moving to the upside, then you put another trend line as your guide. Can you see that? And then you see it move like that back to the middle Bollinger Band, which is what we are having here. Okay, it's pretty simple and straightforward. And then looking at this one again, you realize that the market is ranging along the middle Bollinger Band. And having established this, all you need to do, if you know what chart pattern is, you realize that this is more like an angle. So you see, you mark it up like this, and then you wait for market to break in either of this direction, and you will see that the market break out. You put your stop loss at the previous low, your stop loss. Here is your entry, and of course your TP will be up somewhere, and you see that massive move. Now that you have established that price again has reached the upper Bollinger Band, and then you are looking as well as your indicator window 2, you will draw your trend line. Now once you have drawn your trend line, you are now waiting for price. Now you have drawn your trend line, so you are waiting for price to break this trend line and close below it. And that is exactly what happens there. Okay, you can see that price came down, closes below it, so you put your stop loss here, your entry is here, and then you'll see that move. So immediately price begins to go down, the next thing you need to do is that you put your trend line again above it. Can you see it? And then now you are, as price approaches this zone of the lower Bollinger Band showing an exhaustion, you look at your indicator window, price is there too, then you watch your trend line. You see that price break out of your trend line here, you put your stop loss here, your entry up there, and then you move again with another buy, and immediately price is up, you draw your trend line again. Can you see it? You are waiting for when price will approach either the middle Bollinger Band or the upper band, and you can see at the level of 90 waiting for a cross, see price along the zone of your band, and then price break the trend line towards the downside. Our stop loss is up, our entry is here, and then price begins to go down. You now put your trend line as a guide. Do you see that? It moves again to your lower Bollinger Band. You can see the power of our Bollinger Band. Price came here, pierced through it. You see this level of your indicator window 1, and then from there we have another entry, stop loss, and you are good to go. You can see again another one. So this thing is continuously. Give it a trial, back test it. You can go back and back and back and back and see how these things work out. It is working. It is so perfect. Okay, this is a continuation. Yeah, this is a continuation trade. You see it on reaching here, upper band. See this level? It pulled back towards the middle Bollinger, and of course you have your trend line here, and after that see it, immediately after that price broke out this way, your stop loss, your entry, then immediately it's going that way, you set up another of your guide. So you see, like that, this thing is pretty simple and it's easy going, simple and easy going. The Bollinger Band is always there to guide you. I don't intend this video to be long. Please, if you are getting value from our video, support what we are doing, like and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to share with your loved ones. Thank you. In the subsequent video, we'll be looking at how to scalp the boom and crash shares.